Hi, everyone. This is day 9 of the 30-day content challenge. And today we're supposed to share what our goals are for 2021 and what I've done to set up to accomplish it. Um, I have, I don't really know if I have a financial goal. I've wanted to make a couple extra thousand to 3,000 a month extra residual income to supplement my retirement when I retire. But I don't plan to retire for my job for about 3 more years, hopefully, if my health stays well and everything. But my goal is to reach that. Now, to set myself up, I've joined the Home Business Academy. I'm all in. I own the every aspect of it, and so if you sign up for the funnel, I get $25. I get a $20 commission. If you sign up for premium, I sign you up for premium. I get $100 residual on that, and I've already got a few customers, and or few in my group, and I want to continue to work on building that, and that's my goal for this year. And I'm not in a hurry. I'm going at it slow. I'm learning. I am also I'm buying a little bit of traffic, but within my budget. I'm also trying to learn how to draw traffic from the social sites like YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and MeWe. I'm learning, and I haven't got things set up, and that's my plan. I'm looking at videos. I'm looking at saying, hey, what do I need to set up next? What I want to do this and what I want to do that. The other goal that I have is to develop some online ebooks and to sell them on Amazon and through their Kindle program. I've been looking at videos dealing with that too. And I have some ideas for books. One of them involves my grandson. I want to make some books that feature him as the main character and follow his adventures. And so I have some plans for developing books there. And the other thing is I do some doodling, and I've showed you a few of my doodles, and I wanted to develop a coloring book. And I've talked to some people that are in the Kindle business, and they're giving me some advice on what to do. So that is my plan for 2021, to develop the ebooks and to continue to grow my Home Business Academy. One thing about the Home Business Academy that I feel is really, really critical and really important, I feel that can help me market the books too. As a marketing tool, the funnels that I can create, the people that I can gather in there to market that, as well as to use that to draw people to give me marketing help in that area. So that is my plan for the year. I'm kind of excited about it. I'm really enjoying what I'm doing through this content challenge. I feel like I'm way behind the curve in a lot of ways, but I'm just taking a little bit at a time, doing whatever I can every day, doing something every day. I'm developing a list. I'm sending them emails every day, and that is my plan for my business. And so I want to share that with you, and thank you so much, and have a good day.